In this video, we will see about converting our car single horn to a dual horn. So we have an Alto 800 which is equipped with a single horn from the factory which is not loud enough, which is the reason I'm going to convert it into a dual horn. So for this, there are multiple harness relays available in the market from different brands, of which I have chosen the brand Vaishnu from Amazon. They mentioned the quality seems to be good, so I bought this. It came around 920 rupees, and with this they are given some tie tags and instruction manual. And coming to this, it's a direct plug and play module, so there is no cutting or slicing of wire to your existing system. So that's the main reason I bought this. The quality really seems to be good. The wire being used or the terminals being used, everything is of good quality. Even the outer protection for the wire is also of good quality. And this is nothing but it has a harness relay with a fuse, and there are 8 connectors to be connected, which I will explain one by one. And it's very simple process. As I mentioned, the quality seems to be adequate, and it actually suits even for a large vehicle like Scorpio or anything. It has a good fuse. The length is much more adequate. I'll show you the length later. So these two goes to the battery, positive and negative, and then we have 6 more connectors, totally 8, right? So of which the first 2 goes to one aftermarket horn, the second 2 goes to the second aftermarket horn, and the last 2 goes to the stock horn wire. That's all. So as I mentioned, it's all socket to socket. There is no cutting or splicing of wire. So this is relay, fuse, and then battery terminal wires, 2 plus 2 for aftermarket and another 2 for stock current. As you can see, the length is more than adequate even to fix for a large vehicle like Xylo, Scorpio or anything. So for Alto, this is actually a huge wiring kit. And this is the horn that I have brought. It is Hella Black Pearl. Got in a deal for 800 in Amazon during this festival sale. So we do have dual horn, and clamp and nuts were provided along with it. So this is the factory horn which is available in our car. As you can hear, it's totally not loud enough. So now we have to remove the factory horn. So first, for that we have to first locate where the horn is. As you can see, it is back to the bumper. Here it is. I have located the horn. The next step is I have to remove the horn. For that, there will be only 2 wires linked to that. I have to just pull out those 2 wires. Those 2 wires are the one that I showed in the wiring harness, right? Which we have to connect to the stock, the same 2 wires. So apart from this, there is no other connection. Just we have to remove the nut. So I was unable to access the net easily, which is why I am loosening this front grill so that I'll get some access space to remove the horn. So this procedure is common for all the cars, as I mentioned. It's a direct plug and play kit. So I have removed the old horn, and now I will just place one horn and show you, okay, without relay. So this is the clamp they have given. The spanner size that we require is 10 mm and 12 mm. So in this they have already provided a 10 mm nut to attach to the horn backside. So here it is, which has been provided along with the horn itself. So for any brand horn they will give the same, the clamp and its nut. Then from the car we have removed that a single horn, right? So for that the nut they have provided is 12 mm. So I have to place in the same position with the same nut, and I have tightened it. So now let's hear how it works. Okay, now let's move on to installing dual horn. So when we go to dual horn only, there is a need for this relay harness. For single horn, it's a direct replacement. So as I mentioned, 6 sockets has to be placed here. So 6 in the sense we have bought 2 horns, right? Dual horn. So for those 2 horns, 2 wires, and for stock 2 wires. So existing connection I have placed one horn, right? So from that I have to remove the stock wire and plug it here, and from the harness we have 2 for each horn. We have to plug in. That's all. With this we have connected 6 sockets that has been provided along the harness, and the remaining 2, as you all know, it's for the battery positive and negative. And here the way how you bring the wire matters a lot, because in the front we will have engine, radiator, everything. The thing is, maximum try to have the wiring such that it does not get much heated. So which is why I'm bringing the wire close to the bumper outer side, and we can make a tags if required. And the relay has gone near the headlight. The only thing that is left over is positive and negative terminal, and they have given proper color code, so obviously red is for positive and black is for negative. So we can remove this battery, battery nut, and we have placed the positive here, and we are tightening it back. Similarly for the negative we have to remove and place the black, and I have done it. Now let's hear how the new horn honks. So that's it guys, thank you all for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe, and try to do all work by yourself. It's much easy. Thank you.